In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and manage your social media in Constant Contact. Whether you're looking to streamline your digital marketing efforts or manage multiple platforms from one convenient location, this guide will walk you through the essentials. First, begin by logging into your Constant Contact account. It's essential to have your login details ready, as this helps ensure the process goes smoothly. Once you're in, locate channels from your dashboard and click on Social. This is where you'll manage all your social media integrations. Next, we'll choose the social media platforms you want to link. Constant Contact gives you the option to connect several major platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Selecting the platforms you actively use is crucial for maximizing your online presence effectively. Once you've selected the platforms, proceed by clicking on Connect Page. This button initiates the connection process. Here, you'll be prompted to log into each of your social media accounts. Don't worry, this is entirely normal. Constant Contact needs permission to access these accounts so it can manage them effectively. When prompted, authorize Constant Contact to access these platforms. This authorization allows the service to perform actions like posting and monitoring your account performance on your behalf. With the accounts connected, you now have the ability to create and schedule social media posts directly from within Constant Contact. This feature is particularly beneficial as it allows you to plan your content in advance and have it published automatically at your chosen times, freeing up your schedule for other marketing activities. Remember to craft your posts, keeping your audience in mind, ensuring a good mix of engaging and informative content. As you start posting, you'll likely want to keep tabs on how your content is performing. That's where the dashboard comes into play. It's a central hub from where you can monitor engagement, read comments, and assess the overall performance of your posts. You'll find metrics such as likes, shares, and comments, which are invaluable for understanding what resonates with your audience. At any point, if you need to tweak or update your linked social media accounts, you can easily manage them by navigating to Settings and then Social Accounts. Whether you need to add more profiles or disconnect from ones you're no longer using, this feature gives you the flexibility to adapt quickly. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to connecting and managing your social media accounts through Constant Contact. This setup not only saves you time, but also enhances your ability to engage with your audience across multiple platforms. Enjoy the newfound efficiency, and thanks for watching.